How can ChatGPT help with content creation for affiliate marketers? Certainly. Let's dive deeper into how ChatGPT can revolutionize content creation for beginners in the world of affiliate marketing. Imagine sitting down at your desk, ready to create compelling and engaging content for your audience. You open up ChatGPT and initiate a conversation, treating it like your very own virtual brainstorming partner. You start by asking ChatGPT for fresh topic ideas within your niche. As you engage in conversation, the model generates a stream of suggestions, sparking your creativity and providing you with a wealth of new content concepts. It's like having a dedicated team of content strategists brainstorming ideas with you, but with the convenience and efficiency of an AI-powered assistant. For instance, let's say you run an affiliate marketing website in the fitness niche. You ask ChatGPT for ideas on engaging blog topics related to home workouts. The model responds with suggestions like 10 home workouts for busy professionals, effective bodyweight exercises for small spaces, or how to stay motivated with home workouts. These ideas serve as springboards for your content creation journey, helping you develop articles that resonate with your target audience. But ChatGPT's assistance doesn't stop at generating ideas. It can also provide insights and suggestions to optimize your content. As you discuss specific topics with the model, it analyzes data, identifies trends, and offers recommendations based on proven content strategies. Let's say you're writing a product review article for a popular fitness gadget. You share the key features and benefits with ChatGPT, seeking advice on how to make your review more compelling. The model, drawing from its vast knowledge base, suggests including specific details about the gadget's durability, user-friendly interface, and compatibility with popular fitness apps. It even recommends incorporating personal anecdotes to add authenticity and relatability to your review. As you continue the conversation, ChatGPT offers suggestions on optimizing your content for search engines. It advises you on incorporating relevant keywords naturally throughout your article, structuring your headings and subheadings for readability, and ensuring that your content provides value to readers. By following ChatGPT's guidance, you can increase the visibility of your content and attract organic traffic to your affiliate marketing website. To make the content creation process even more interactive, ChatGPT can provide real-time feedback on your writing style and tone. You can ask the model to review a draft of your article and provide suggestions for improvement. It might suggest using a more conversational tone, injecting humor where appropriate, or organizing your content in a more logical flow. This feedback allows you to refine and polish your writing, creating content that captivates and engages your audience. But the benefits of ChatGPT extend beyond text-based content. It can also assist with other mediums like videos and podcasts. You can use ChatGPT's generated content as a script for your YouTube videos or seek advice on structuring your podcast episodes. By incorporating the model's suggestions, you can create multimedia content that appeals to different segments of your target audience, expanding your reach and driving higher engagement. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a game changer for content creation in affiliate marketing. Its ability to generate ideas, offer insights, and optimize content makes it an invaluable tool for beginners. With ChatGPT as your creative companion, you can create compelling, relevant, and engaging content that resonates with your audience and drives higher conversion rates. So, embrace the power of AI, leverage ChatGPT's capabilities, and unleash your creativity in the world of affiliate marketing. Click the link below to get started with an affiliate marketing program where ChatGPT is used to save time and improve marketing production. Thanks for watching.